Today I will be showing you this Gucci belt. So this one is the Gucci belt with the double G's interlocking side by side. I know this one is really popular. It's like one of my favorite belts ever. So it is black. That's how it looks like. As for sizing, the size on here is 28. Since it is black, I'm not sure if you can see that very well. But the double G's, they don't have as much scratching available or noticeable. This belt right now is running for, that's how it looks like once again.